Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjingjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat ki jingpedla. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Kynhun myntri jong sarkar MDA hapo kejelam jong konrad sangma ko myntri rang ba ka shipo trek jemang kala ai ke jingmynjur ya ka roster system kenang bakur komba iki kamkat kum ki kandon ke state reservation policy kanyai baik no sakman la ban chu pen kan mau ba hau banaya yong mentau snem ka high court kala penmi ya ki hukum man pensenge shwa ya ka thungkam thungjam namar ka jingmom dan satya ya ka roster system haba penmi hukum ka high court kala hukum ba ki jingthungkam ki dei ban sange tat hadu ba ka sarkar kala ban penkre bat pentrekam ya ka roster system.
We have finally approved the roster system for the implementation of the reservation policy. So that was the main discussion that took place today. Well, we'll be, I think tomorrow is the hearing, so let's see how things go. But as I said, the important part was to submit the roster or to clear the roster. So the cabinet has passed the roster system. So now we'll take things forward. And this was, as I said, a very heavy exercise. It required a lot of detailed discussion to be done. So we've done that and then we've cleared it, and now let's see now the process will move forward. You see, roster system is very simple. Roster system requires, as you're aware, that in a roster system there is the reservation policy comes in terms of the number. I mean, I can only explain it when I give an example to you. We had implemented the roster system even for the physically challenged and disabled people, and in that there's a reservation of 4%. So how roster system works is very simple. That only if any recruitment had 25 posts, would one post go to the physically challenged people. But then now with the roster system coming in, suppose there is a 10 posts that are there, then then of course there will not be any reservation for the physically challenged. And then again the next, if there are 15 posts that have come out for recruitment, then the 15th post will go to the physically challenged. So the roster system ensures that the reservation policy is implemented in letter and spirit. So that's the whole purpose. And with the roster system in place, that is what will be followed. And that was a requirement for the High Court.